This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss spike-proof tyres, the safety sealant protecting SA drivers. Armour Tyre is the name, and ask for it when buying your new or used vehicle. Catch You Ask, We Answer. Navara versus Ranger. Which bakkie is better for long-term ownership? Mike and Nikki are going Navara. In this episode of All Things Motoring, we take you inside South Africa's ultimate Porsche celebration to find out about Porsche's commitment to classic restoration in South Africa. Read Colin Wendell's article, Decisions Need to be Made. Chery to stage Africa's first real-world dual-vehicle collision test with the new Tiggo 9 SUV. Mazda launches courtesy vehicle service. Bridgestone chosen as tyre partner for limited edition Lamborghini. Audi South Africa unveils the A5 sedan. Rola Motor City have their mid-year sale this weekend. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.